Alright, today we will still be working in the terminal, and we have our task on the left pane. It says in this lab your task is to give Big Cassini user ownership of HR/payroll file. So let's just go into our terminal. We're gonna change owner, which is CH owner OWN. Change owner, and the person we're changing is B Cassini. So it's gonna be B Cassini space /HR /payroll. B Cassini HR payroll, and hit enter. So let's check ls space dash l, hit enter. Alright, so I think this is changed. Alright, so we go over to ls space dash l space /HR. Alright, so this has been changed. ls dash l. Alright, so let's check our answers. So this is correct. See if this video was helpful.
College life can be tough. Health, family, and life challenges can make tech courses overwhelming. Our tech tutoring service helps you master labs, discussions, and assignments, step by step. No matter the challenge, we ensure you rise above, with confidence and an A+. Dream Set Services, helping you succeed with confidence.